Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. Thanks a lot for watching and feel free to subscribe and be part of this amazing community. Stay tuned, greatness is coming.
Hop, hop. Right, bro, no problem. It's up to you, mate, because there are another 20 meters.
Yeah, but we've got a turn lift to get out yet.
Yeah, but you might put it little bit in front because it's little bit downhill. So if you put little bit in front, it will be straight. Yeah?
I won't say it, don't think we've got a turn lift.
Yeah. Just... Right, mate, if you have a look on the tacho, can you put mine on other work, please? On 2. 1 second. Yeah? Cheers, mate. Did you put yours as well, or is automatic?
It's over automatic.
Automatic, yeah? Mate, I'll just open the back and get the things ready, yeah?
Seat cap locked.
Did you reverse in such tight roads before, or? Yeah? It's so much better when you got help, no?
I've got a fucking forklift here.
It's so much better when you got help,
You know
no?
what? Should we drop the back end a little bit?
You know, I was thinking, because, well, the entrance is there.
Another time.
So if you reverse all the way there, it's gonna be straight as well. It's up to you.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna get the swing here. Truck's too long.
You will? Yeah.
Do it there. They can come and collect it with that forklift.
Yeah?
Drop the back end.
Yeah? So you just leave it as it is?
1 minute, we'll drop some air out of it.
That should do. Yeah. Wow. This is ice. Fucking hell. Where is the fucking thingy? They don't have a door holder or something. Here. Okay. Forklift? Huh?
That way. I never do it that way.
No worries.
So,
Ah, you do it from there? Okay, man.
but obviously, because he's going to use forklift, we don't need to put it all the way out. Just enough so then you can stand on it and climb in.
Yeah.
See what meant what it before.
I've seen the pallet on the left is from them. A second. Because they say the collection as well, so just have to figure it out first. Oh, yeah.
Hello, what's up?
So no protection. Okay. So I just need to be careful with the floor because it's solid ice. It's very dangerous.
So I think she's going to post them out this week. I'll double check with her though.
This tail lift should have protection.
Yeah, I'll speak to him about half an hour anyway.
Very slippery. Look.
Yeah, I will do. Because I think I've got the guy in there.
It's quite difficult to maneuver this here, honestly. Wow. Pwah. Once I spin that corner, it should be so much. One second, I'll just put it like that.
Now come round again.
Yeah.
Back now forward.
Slowly.
Yeah. Go on, push it.
Not too far, cause it's. One second. You keep that end, yeah? You keep that end, yeah?
Right, pull it back to you.
No, it just goes stuck.
Hold on, no, you've got stuck on the tail lift now. Hold on, wait. Where's that button?
Down. Yeah.
Pass me that button down there, mate.
The floor is the problem. Hope.
See now, it should come on a bit easier.
No, I think I'll bring it back a little bit.
And forward. Slow. Go on, a bit more.
Yeah.
A bit further. Down. Generally when they've got photos,
Yeah. Yeah.
put them on the back and then they lift them up.
Yeah, no problem.
I've got to go back to the pallet. Yeah, 21 boxes is okay.
So he's.
I've got 21 boxes so much. 21 boxes, yeah. I've looked at. I don't know if you know what I'm about. Look here. Yeah. I've got 21 boxes. Look here. Yeah. 21 look here. I'll tell you lock this, sorry, lock this.
Either the quality is too here.
No, you've gone too far in. Put it in.
Will I take it like that? Like that? No worries, I'll do it, mate. 1 second. Don't worry, I'll take it.
Don't know if it's full of ice.
Come on. Yeah. It's just the floor. The floor it makes it so hard to maneuver. But other than that, it's okay. It's not bad. Not too far, eh? Yes. One second. Fucking. Slowly, slowly. 1 second, 1 second. Pull back. Yeah. Nah. It's getting stuck there all the time. Yeah. Doesn't go. Okay. Slowly.
Right, press the button down a little bit. Other way.
Oh, more than that?
Door shut. Yeah, a bit more. Keep it up. That's not gonna go.
1 second, eh? I'll put it back up. Try now. Yeah. Brake. Yeah, perfect. Well done, mate. Fucking. Brother, can you pass me that, please? One second, brother. 1 second. 1 second, eh? I'll bring it down. It's gonna be easier for you and safer. This is very heavy. Very heavy. Boom, boom. Kaput.
Okay, leave it.
Yeah? Happy, eh?
Yes.
Whoa.
This next week.
Next week?
Yeah.
Yeah. No problem, boss.
I'm very hot inside. Next week, okay?
No problem.
Not my problem, my friend.
Boss, if you're happy, excellent, yeah? Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Thank you very much.
Just stick that under one of them two parts.
Yeah,
for now.
if you hold this one, oh, watch out.
I've got one that's paid upside down.
Yeah, no problem. Well, it doesn't look too bad today compared to what I used to do. But we need to be careful with them things, because, mate, honestly, this is frozen floor. This is -18, so any mistake can be fatal, you know what I mean? Look, what's that there? Doesn't matter. Yeah, you just have to be careful. Okay, so this is magnet. Great. Happy days.
Don't send it all the way down. A bit more. Leave it about there, shoot forward and then forward again.
Yeah, cheers, mate. I don't know where you put this, boy. Huh?
Don't stick outside that.
So where you normally put it?
On the rail while we're out here.
Here, I'll do that. You do this, yeah?
Maybe a bit more.
I'll do the lift.
Send it up.
Uh-huh.
And then that sits on top of there.
It's gonna stay there, huh?
Yeah, then it stays there, yeah.
Nice. Okay. I don't know if it's in the right order, but when you close this, look here, here in the top. Close. Look, this ice, how strong it is. Just to let you know, it's not a joke. How thick it is. Look how thick it is, man. It's so fucking thick. If you do a mistake, you're fucked.